In last video, we calculated magnetic field of solenoid using Ampere's circuit law. So in this video, we have to calculate magnetic field of toroid using Ampere's circuit law. Now, what is the difference between solenoid and toroid? Now, see, solenoid was a coil of helical structure, or you can say a cylindrical coil or of cylindrical shape. Toroid is exactly similar to solenoid, but its shape is different. Toroid is a circular coil, or you can say in shape of a donut. So a toroid is of circular shape, coiling of wire in a circular shape. You will call it as toroid. Now you have to calculate magnetic field of this toroid, and also remember one point, that magnetic field outside this toroid is 0, and also inside this toroid is 0. That is here. The magnetic field is only in this tubular region. On this region only you will find magnetic field. Outside and inside it will be 0. Now to calculate magnetic field, you have to make one Amperian loop, and in this case the shape of Amperian would be circle. Okay, let this be your Amperian loop, because of which you will calculate magnetic field of toroid. So in this Amperian loop, you will mark one length element. Let it be dl. Length of that length element is dl. Okay, let this be your length element dl. Now you have to calculate magnetic field, and you will apply Ampere's circuit law. I will first calculate line integral of magnetic field, that is B dot dl, and you know what is, how do you calculate B dot dl? It is B dl cos theta. B dl cos theta, it would be B dl cos 0, because magnetic field direction would be like this. So angle would be 0. So it would be B integration dl only, and integration of dl is L. So it would be B into L. If R is the radius of this toroid, then your limits would be from 0, that is the minimum length of that length element, and maximum length can be 2 pi r. So it would be 0 to 2 pi r, and when you solve it, upper limit minus lower limit, it would be B into 2 pi r. Let this be your first equation. Now according to Ampere's circuit law, you know that line integral of magnetic field is mu naught times the current flowing through closed loop. So according to Ampere's circuit law, B dot dl is equal to mu naught I, but for n turns it would be, if the coil has n turns, it will be mu naught ni. So in that case, B dot dl is equal to mu naught ni. And if you compare both these equations, what you get? You get B into 2 pi r is equal to mu naught ni, and so therefore magnetic field would be mu naught ni divided by 2 pi r. So this is the expression of magnetic field of a toroid using Ampere's circuit law. So by knowing these values, you can calculate magnetic field of toroid. The important point to remember is that magnetic field outside and inside toroid is equal to 0. Magnetic field is only in this tubular region.